These are gorgeous looking bookmarks. I'm really impressed with the quality and design for these bookmarks. Let's have a closer look. Okay, let's have a look inside the box. Oh, wow. These are not, wow. Here's a close-up of one of the bookmarks. So these are old traditional Chinese characters. I don't think they use these characters anymore, but that's a really cool look. Nice design. Not really sure what kind of wood this is, but man, that looks nice. So it is kind of thick for a bookmark, but you know, it is wood, so that's understandable. Got this blue Chinese bead as well. That just looks really nice. Here's one of the black ones. Has a dragon. This looks so cool. Look at how cool these are. That is so nice. These were sent to me so I could make this video. I don't really know what else to say other than showing you how cool these things look. They are a bit thick for bookmarks, but I mean, they're wood. They have to be kind of thick or they're going to fall apart. Don't really bend. They have a little bit of give to it. I don't want to press my luck though, because these are incredible. I gave these to my son as a gift because he loves to read. He reads Calvin and Hobbes every night before he goes to bed, and he always needs a bookmark. I wish I had bookmarks this cool as a kid. These are really impressive.